Hello there, this is Gabriela. I will explain you how to use Model Robot during the 7-day free trial. A lot of you ask me always how to do it if you cannot create campaigns. Campaigns are the ones you're gonna create tier 1 to tier 3. On this case, just on free trial, you're gonna create a blog or an article, but not with tiers. That's the only difference. And that way you can test the program, the app, and have an idea, a really good idea about how to use it. Plus, remember, you have also, if you buy it and you get it after the free trial, you can also in 7 days request your refund, your full refund, without asking you. And that's really important to know. Okay, let's do it. In this case, in this area, in the task area, you're gonna right click, and in that moment you're gonna see this menu: new task, web 2.0, or any other ones. I really like, and I think the best ones are the web 2.0. Okay, don't do anything here, and just you're gonna create, put some article here, article body, okay, you can see the preview, the spin article, load article from your folder, and insert link, the link and the keywords. Okay, let me grab something to put in here and I'll let you know. One moment please. Okay, I just upload an article, a spam article. Remember, if your article is not spin, you can use this one. Click just in here and it will do it for you. It's not, please, okay, do not forget to spin your article. It's really important to avoid the duplicate content that Google doesn't like at all. Okay, now you go to the insert link and you just going to add here your money site or the web page or the page you want to send the link. Okay, you can use here the keywords and then insert your link. It is insert, and then save. After save, you see it here, create, and you just gonna start task here. It will start creating your blogs. After this is complete, in here you're gonna see 100% progress. You can click on here and check all your URLs that be created for you. Okay, I hope this helped you to see how it works and how to do it. Thank you. See you next time.